to Sam UK Sample Room. Today I will be showing you the fence products that we offer. At Sam UK we provide a wide variety of more than 60 plus designs of fences to choose from. So the first fence I would like to showcase is a straight picket fence. So the other design I would like to showcase is the scallop picket. You can see it comes with a U-band shape. This is our top selling semi-private fence. Behind me, you can see our ranch rail products. These products are very famous. You can see we have a 2-step ranch rail, a 3-step ranch rail, and a 4-step ranch rail. So this is our highly durable garden planter box. Pretty tough, huh? Sam UK. That was all from the fence products. Hope you liked the video. Thank you. Keep subscribing. Sam UK is your best choice.